techminepro.
So what's up guys, welcome back to techminepro YouTube channel. So today we are back with another video, and today's video about a mining apps. So this also a cloud mining app, and you can earn free CoinX token from this app, and you can see the interface of the website. This name is CoinX, and also it's listed on the coin market cap. You can see the price action here, 0.0085, and you can see the price is changing daily, so you can trade it when it lands in the market, so you can trade it. So you can see it's also listed in the pancake set. You can see it's also listed on pancake set. Soon it will list in many exchanges, so now you have to check the website. It's the website, and you can see the roadmap, and you can see the CoinX download. You can download it from here, and you can see the CoinX wallet will be released soon, and this is coming soon. And also you can see the LW platform. This will be also coming in 2013 2023, so it's also coming soon. So let's go to the apps and download it. You just click on the download app. Here you will see the Play Store, Google Play. Just click on that and just install the apps. You can see the name of the app is CoinX Miner app, and you can see, so you can see you can earn daily and mining some CoinX from this app. And you can see there is 300k active member in the app, and you can earn free coins daily, and you can also invite your friend and earn more. And it's available in 191 countries around the world. Official miner app from CNX network. So you have seen the about of this app, so now you just need to install this app. Just click on install and just open it, and then click on start now. Now you need to input your name and the number and your full name. So I'm just entering my full name and the number. So I just entered my account name, phone number, and my name. After that, just click on the next steps. Now just enter your email, password, and just click on next step. And you will need to verify your email and also submit my referral code, invitation code. This is the invitation code you can see here. Just must enter this invitation code to get a bonus. So I'm just going to log in the app. You can see I just logged in the web application, and you can see my balance. Now I have only one CNX token in my balance, and when I click on the start, the mining will be start. So I'm just clicking on start. Just click here, and you can see my mining is started, and I will get 0.025 coins per hour. Every hour I will get 0.025 coins. So after 24 hours I have to click it and click on start again, and then mining will be start again. So don't forget to click on start mining daily to start the mining, otherwise the mining will be stopped. So must start the mining every day. So you can see there are so many options to see. You see the FAQ. So here you will find the many question answers. You can get your answer from here. So check it here. You will get so many answers. Okay. So you can see the interface. So you can see I earned almost 1.0006 coins. So you can also earn from these ads. You can earn 3 coins here. You can see. So now the question is when you can withdraw these coins. So for withdraw this coin, you need to wait for the wallet release. When the wallet release, you can withdraw your balance in your wallet and exchange it in the many websites like B2B and Pancake Swap. You can trade there. So this will be coming soon. When the wallet release, you can trade it. So you can see the eventually the coin miner will be connected with wallet X and the wallet to save its stake and trade your CNX. Okay, you can also see their Twitter profile. They have pretty good amount followers. You can see. So there are so many good engagement in their every post. You can see. So it means this website and the app is really good, and I think in the future the coin will be give us some profit. So mine every day free CNX token. So that's all. Thanks for watching the video, and also if you didn't subscribe our YouTube channel, must subscribe our YouTube channel for next interesting video. If you need more mining apps like this, I will bring it soon. So for this you need to subscribe our YouTube channel and also turn on all notifications to get the new video notification quickly, and also subscribe that join to the Telegram channel. This is our Telegram channel. You can join here and also join our Telegram group. If you have any question to ask, you can join our Telegram channel and group and ask, and we will answer the question. Also join to the airdrop hunter channel for daily legit airdrops. That's all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.